This episode of Sailing Xanadu begins in Portsmouth, Dominica. And these guys are part of the p.a.y.s group, based here on this side of the bay.
How are you guys doing this evening?
I'm doing good.
We're good. And you?
Good.
Very good.
No complaints.
They stopped by to collect their fee for our mooring ball.
I said I love to see you.
Well, thank you. It's good to be seen.
It's good to be seen.
Hey, it's good to see you guys too. Thank you for everything.
It takes a man with eyes to see.
Yeah. How's your day yesterday with us?
Very, very, very nice. I wish all the others could enjoy that.
I thought it was beautiful.
Yeah.
p.a.y.s provides a wide range of assistance to cruisers, as well as security for the anchorage. Dominica is a mountainous Caribbean island with natural hot springs and tropical rainforests. This is Daniel, our tour guide for the day. He picked us up on his wooden boat and drove us to the entrance of the river. Once we pass beneath the bridge into the river, outboard engines are not allowed. So you'll see all of nature's creatures going about their business, undisturbed by us gliding by. The Indian River flows into the Caribbean Sea, and it is the widest river in Dominica. The river quickly narrows and gets completely overhung by these huge swamp trees. Their massive roots spread out above the soil and down into the water, twisting and tangling into beautiful works of art. You can't help but quiet your mind and feel the calmness of nature. This little kitty who lives here at the end of the river tour can melt hearts. I wanted so badly to take him home with us, but one pet is plenty on Xanadu.
So cute. Aww.
Coming over to customs to clear out for tomorrow. So we've been in Dominica for a little over 2 weeks and got stuck because of winds.
Yeah.
So yeah, ready to get going.
Yeah, we get going tomorrow.
I'm gonna put this away. How much was it?
There's a 5 EC. Very cheap for extension. Next we're going to Guadaloupe. Isla, I forget the name.
Something.
Sint
Islets. Isle of the Islands.
Isle of Islands.
Islets.
Isla of Insects. Yeah.
It was a lovely stay in Dominica, but we were excited to untie from our mooring ball and head to the French islands.
Getting home.
Our passage to Guadaloupe is about 20 nautical miles and would only take us about 3.5 hours.
Alright. Via was 10 minutes. 20 nautical miles. 21 nautical miles.
All right, are we ready to get the hell out of here?
Yeah. Ready? Main sail up.
Yeah, let's put the mainsail on.
Alright.
Alright, here goes. Tell me when. He thinks it's good. It's good. The wind's died down, but we have enough to sail.
Yeah.
Safety first. So the wind just picked up, went from like 14 knots to 19. And we still haven't cleared land, so it's starting to pick up.
Since winds tend to shoot out with greater force when blowing over or through a mountainous area or a chain of mountains, we'll wait until we pass this landmass before we unfurl our Genoa.
I thought I had a button.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come.
While P.a.y.s takes a nap, I'm manning the helm. We basically set the course and put it on autopilot. It's just a matter of making sure that we don't run into any oncoming boats or we pass the ones who are going a little too slow without running into them. And we're gonna leave Jade in our dust. See, they're right there. We're passing in. It's not a race, it's not a competition, people. But we are about to pass Jade.
24 heures du Mans.
We're gonna leave Jade in our dust.
24 heures du Mans, la plus grande course automobile d'endurance du monde. Verrons-nous cette année les 200 km/h de moyenne? Deux marques sont en lice. Ferrari, le champion inamovible. Ford, le géant.
I can see all my sails from this nav station, which is why I really like sitting inside, because I don't know, you're just not exposed to the elements like the sun and the wind, and it's nice and quieter inside. You have 360-degree views of everything, including your sails, and it's comfortable, man. It's nice. Smooth sailing, baby.
Join us next episode when we explore the beautiful French islands of Guadaloupe.
We're gonna attempt to fly the dinghy over here. I mean, the problem is where you land. it. Where do you land the drone after it's been flying? You gotta go inside. We gotta conduct business over here. And there's no protective services necessary.